How to adjust video quality setting on Facebook application. So if you want to adjust video quality settings on Facebook application, then you need to simply open up your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook, now you can go for the upper right, which has that three dot icon, and then you need to scroll down, go for settings and privacy, scroll all the way down and go for cellular data usage. So under cellular data usage, if you want to adjust the video quality setting, then you need to simply choose data saver option. So if you choose the data saver, then it will use up to 40% less data by reducing the video quality. And once you choose the data saver, now you can again choose the bottom option, which is on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and you need to simply turn that off, and then you need to choose on Wi-Fi only. And once you've done that, now you can go back, and that's it. That's how you can adjust your video quality settings on Facebook application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.